Section 5. Transfer of property. Transfer of property means an act by which a living person convey property in present or in future to one or more other living person or to himself and one or more other living person, and to transfer property is to perform such act. Transfer of property means an act, and act involves a consequences, and its consequences is the transfer of rights or some of the rights from one person to another. Living person, by which a living person convey property to one or more other living person. Here, the transfer of property must be from one living person to another living person. That is, both persons, that is, transferor and transferee, must be a living person. Transfer by will. Transfer by will do not come within the scope of section, as will effect after the death of the person executing a will. Transfer by will is excluded under this section, but interest may be created in favor of an unborn person. The living person includes a company, association or association or body of individuals, whether incorporated or not, but nothing herein contained shall affect any law for the time being in force relating to transfer of property to or by companies, association or body of individuals. Transfer of property may take effect in present or in future. That is, the title of the property may be transferred immediately or postponed to a future date. For example, A transfer his property to B for his lifetime, and after the lifetime of the B, the property has been transferred to the C. Then transfer to B is in present and to C in future. The transfer of property may be in present or in future, but the property must be in existence at the date of the transfer. No transfer of a future property in present and in future in this section is applies to convey, that is transfer, and not to the word property, or to himself. A transfer can be made by a person to himself. For example, by a person making trust in which he constituted himself as a trustee to himself and one or more other living person. Transfer of property involves creation of new title or interest in favor of transferee. If no new title or interest created in favor of the transferee, the property is not transferred. So, no transfer of property.